Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on battery saver on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you are outside and your cell phone battery is running low and you don't have a charger, don't need to be worried guys, because you can turn on battery saver, or you can also turn on ultra battery saver so that your cell phone battery lasts longer. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, now you can swipe down to go to control center, and then now you can activate battery saver like this, and it will save your battery more longer. Alright, the second one, if you want to be more longer, now you can go to settings and go to battery, and then you can click current mode and you can change to ultra battery saver so that your battery will save more longer than before. But disclaimer guys, if this feature is on, you can only access 4 apps on your cell phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.